How to add PayPal to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your App Store, and once you open your App Store, just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of the screen, and over here you will be able to see your Apple ID. Just simply tap on it and it will open up the account settings for you. And once you are in the account settings in your App Store, just simply scroll down and you will be able to see a bunch of options like manage payments, subscription, purchase history and other options. Just simply click on add funds to Apple ID. Just simply tap on it. As soon as you click on the type of the amount that you want to add into your Apple Wallet, you will see that there is no such option to add PayPal as a payment option. So just come back to your home screen, and after that just open your device settings, and over here just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called wallet. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on add card from the top menu. And under the add card section, just simply scan your PayPal, your Venmo or any other credit card that you would want to your Apple Wallet. Just simply select your PayPal card over here in order to link your PayPal card to your Apple Wallet successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.